Good morning, everyone. We're going to get started. My name is Krystle van Hoof, and I'm the Managing Director of Healthy Brains, Healthy Lives, and we are the co-hosts of today's training day with the HIBALL team, so welcome. I just wanted to take a couple of seconds to just introduce Healthy Brains, Healthy Lives for anyone who isn't familiar or perhaps has forgotten or is jet-lagged and doesn't know where they are right now. We are an initiative in computational neuroscience at McGill University in Montreal, funded by the government of Canada and the government of our province of Quebec for about $100 million over 10 years to really grow computational neuroscience at McGill University because it was recognized as a strength there, which it is. And so this is just a few of the things that we've done over the last number of years to achieve that goal of pushing forward computational neuroscience. We've helped to hire new faculty recruits, we've supported graduate students and postdocs, we've funded highly qualified personnel, core facilities, et cetera, et cetera. So you can see some of that here, and we've also helped to increase the international collaborations through all of our programs, really, including through this HIBALL collaboration with ULISH. So we started this in 2020 as a collaboration with Helmholtz and ULISH to fund the HIBALL initiative, which is part of the reason that we're all here. So we're very proud of this and very happy with how things have been going, which is why we now co-host the training day to help to spread the tools that are used to take advantage of these the great data sets and technologies that we're all here to look at today. So just wanted to welcome you and look forward to the day. We have 12 speakers from 8 countries across 9 different institutions. We have more than a dozen tools to look at, tools, platforms, approaches. We have 6 hands-on sessions that'll be happening throughout the day. And we're going to have a special neuro and AI session this afternoon that I'm looking forward to seeing. And we have a welcome reception at the end of the day. And the only other thing that I wanted to remind everyone is that there will be a couple of tours that you can sign up for at the front desk. One is on Wednesday, which is a tour of the university. And then on Thursday, there's a big all-day tour of Venice that will only happen if enough people sign up. So I've been told to remind you to sign up if you want to go. So be sure to do that. And with that, I'm just going to turn it over to Alan Evans, the Healthy Brains, Healthy Lives Scientific Director.